a fucking push. What a legend. He's laying down. We were out for 3 days, about a week-ish. How much money was made? Today is currently 10:52 on a Friday. We are planning to leave on Monday. We're gonna head up to Vail, get an Airbnb. We'll spend the week up there, and we'll just shred some snow. First things first, we gotta hit the gym. So me and the woman just got back from Oklahoma for Christmas. We saw the family. So today's kind of back in routine. We're gonna get waiting on Ollie to show up so that we can hit the gym, and then we will be out. By the time we get back, we'll pick up the woman, we'll head down to Christie Sports, and we're gonna pick up the rest of the snow gear that we need. So right now, let's see what we even have to begin with. So right now we have Arc'teryx, bottom half, snow pants, we have our gloves, and then we have an Arc'teryx underlayer and top layer that I think we'll end up just using. We need to pick up snowboards, we need to pick up bindings, and a few extra things, and I don't think Cole has too much, so he pretty much has to re-get everything. The woman over there needs to re-get everything as well, and we're headed out. All right, we just got home from the gym. I am setting up my marketing channel to run today really quick, and then we are heading out to Christie Sports, whatever it's called.
Slender waist.
Sure.
Big chest.
Come on, brother. I need to film that. What are you doing? All right, we're headed out. Hayden, you ready? What stuff you need?
Well, I need my ski boots and my skis because I have to make sure my ski boots fit. Because if they don't fit, then I need to buy new ones.
Yes, sir. We just got in the car. I think Hayden's gonna wait for us. We're gonna pop over to Hayden's house to make sure that all of his equipment and everything that he bought for years ago skiing is still fitting him. So we're gonna slide down there and grab his stuff, and then we're headed straight to Christie Sporting Goods, and or Christie Sports, whatever it may be. And we're gonna pick up the rest of our gear. We have the woman with us, so she's also got to get some gear, and then we're set. We're headed out on Monday. So let me get out of the garage and we'll pick the camera back up. We just made it to Hayden's house. I think he just ran in. We made it probably like 5 or 10 minutes ago, but he ran in there. He's grabbing his stuff that he needs to grab. I'm gonna pull up next to Cole, see what Cole's doing. Let's go. We're headed out now. Hayden got his skis and everything he needed. Alright, we just made it. We're headed in now. We're gonna go get some snow gear.
What do you need? You just need overalls? Is that all you need?
I don't need anything. Well, I need, I guess, a pair of such. Hayden said the temperatures are gonna be about -2.
Yeah, you might want to get one of these.
That's chilly.
What the fuck is this?
I bet that thing would keep you warm as shit, though.
I always wanted one of these. With these fucking.
Do we need like an underlayer? Honestly, this one looks like a really good one. I think because of the topo.
You want one that's gonna make you warm? This one would be good.
This one, so? This one looks like it only covers the bottom half of my face.
Yeah, well, you'll have your helmet covering here. Yeah, like that.
And then helmet on the top, this should be good?
Yeah, you need a helmet and you need goggles.
Okay, well you need one too.
Trying to find a snow jacket that's a small though is a challenge right now.
It's a challenge.
What?
What's up, YouTube?
The boys ended up getting some snowboards here. She's got hers. Boys. Alright, we're getting these fitted and then we'll...
Yeah, and then stand up and walk around them for like 10 minutes, okay?
Oh, these feel even more comfortable now.
They feel good?
Yeah.
Now that you kind of pack them out a little bit.
Yeah. Got our boots, something like that.
Apparently.
Oh,
I was telling her, I was feeling great.
she wasn't changing.
Alright. Dump this shit in there. Okay, how much did I spend? I spent about $5 grand.
Yeah, and then Cole spent about
Hayden spent
$500.
about 500 because he already had all the good stuff. And then Cole, how much you spend?
$3,500.
$3,500 spent. So we spent about 5, 6, 7, 8,
Like $9 grand.
about $9 grand there. And then we have an Airbnb and some other costs that we need to do. But anyway.
$11,000 so far, not bad. And
This is going to be another $15,000.
we haven't even got to the mountains yet.
Alright. Alright. We're headed to the mall.
Yeah.
Alright, let's head to the mall. Let's hop in the Lambo. Alright. We're headed to the mall because we have a little Secret Santa thing. Today's kind of just like a fuck all day, which is okay because a late night. Me, Hayden, and Cole are gonna head down to the mall because we have, like I said, Secret Santa stuff. I already know what I have to get. Hayden, I'm pretty sure knows what he needs to get, and then Cole, he said he's just not doing it. He said, sorry, it's gonna be a month late. I don't know what that is. But we'll just pick you guys back up when we get there. Alright, we just got to the mall, and we are headed in. We're gonna do some Secret Santa shop in the malls. We're grabbing food, and out of nowhere, this like store shows up, and it's got fucking Supreme.
They've got my shoes.
It's got all sorts of hype beast shit. Well, do you have this in a small, by chance? Is there a chance?
Might?
Or medium? Medium.
Definitely a medium.
And then
Yeah, let me have a medium
the
one, please.
Black BOGO, the Burberry.
Burberry.
Do you guys have that in like a medium or a large?
Do you
I'll
have?
check for that one
you have
too.
2 of these.
2 of these in a
Yeah,
medium,
medium.
and that one?
And a medium, yeah.
If you have large, I prefer large. Yeah.
Oh, we're getting
And the bag.
We are getting. Oh, we're getting fresh. It's kind of hurting
It's kind of hurting.
how fresh it is that we are
I don't
becoming.
know how much they're. When he comes back, I want to see how much he sells these for.
Looks like we just ended up getting
These
2
are-
BOGOs, and we're gonna get one more. Cole just got here, so we're gonna see if we can finesse him into buying this.
This is it?
Yeah, look at that thing.
sexy.
Oh,
it's worth the cost?
yeah. Supreme Burberry. That's a good collab.
Fucking awesome, bro.
Bag 2.
Appreciate you.
You gonna get it, Cole?
It's already in my hand.
Oh, not me.
What'd
And
you guys
then-
get?
We just got BOGO.
You guys get any shoes or no?
No, just the sweaters.
Isn't this the quickest I've ever come into a store and bought something?
It's sweet, huh? Just a real plain
Oh, sweet.
black
Then
and
I
white
got
one.
gray.
And then he got the gray with the red BOGO. All right, we just got done with Louis Vuitton as one of my Secret Santas people. And then obviously we got the Supreme whatnot. Cole's back there. We're headed to another place to get one more Secret Santa, and then we were gonna get food in Tokyo Joe's, but there was a huge line. So we had this brilliant idea to hop in another restaurant line because it'd be quicker. Turns out it was much longer. Now we're just traveling around looking for a place to get some food. Where are we going? Got it. All right, so we're at the valet. We're picking up the car. There's a cute little kids that are hopping in it. They're checking it out. All right, we're all good. Are you gonna pull it out, or do you want me to pull it out?
I pulled out for you.
Yeah, I don't want to scrape that car.
Wait, this is a V10?
This is a V10, baby.
Can I hear it?
Yeah, he's gonna turn it on.
Oh, that's sick. I think there's
All right, bye guys.
Thank you.
Yeah, of course.
What's your YouTube? I'll subscribe.
Open your phone.
Well, you gotta subscribe to everyone.
Yeah, they have YouTube too. It's from Miami because I got the car shipped out from Miami. All right, then. Okay, he's gonna want your YouTube too. Oh man, look at her. One of these days, I really wanna not scrape here, just like for the personal achievement. I don't mind the scrape because it's just that thing. But like, is it possible Oh, there's the tire. Have I scraped yet?
You just spoke that into existence? The king of manifestation over here. Whoa. That's crazy.
It is the morning of the day that we are headed out to the Airbnb in Breckenridge. We aren't going snowboarding today. We're pretty much gonna be packing up for a few hours. We just got home from the gym and we're going to be pretty much just getting ready to head out. The drive is about 2 hours long. Before we head out, I need to grab my laptop. I have a couple things that I gotta get done today. So I'm bringing my laptop into my office and am ready to start because I'm out of breath because I was just wrestling with the woman. Not like sexual wrestling, just wrestling. So I just got my ass seated down. I am gonna open up Telegram first, clear through all of my messages that I have. I have a water, energy drink, and breakfast. So we just finally got fully packed up. Got the backpack, got the boys, got the watch, Nick, walkie-talkie, and we're getting ready to head on out. The drive is about 2 hours. I'm just double checking, making sure we have everything because I don't want to come back, but I think we have everything. So I'm gonna reattach this really quick. I'm trying to edit
Give
that
him a
out.
lat spread.
Bro.
It's time, AC.
All right, looks like we have everything. We're getting ready to head out, so I'm gonna pop on my shoes, and I'll see you guys when we get down to the garage, and we're putting the rest of the stuff in the car. All right, we just made it to the Airbnb. It's just a little cheapy. We're paying like $2,200 for 3 days. We got everybody getting their snow gear on. We're not going snowboarding tonight. We're just gonna go out up front. There's a little hill. We're gonna get some practice in to make sure we still have it in us. Here's the bathroom. Got the full gear on. You can see, looking fine. I do got a little bit of leakage of white coming through though. Anyway, we made it back to the apartment or hotel or Airbnb and had some technical difficulties with my boots. The circulation in my foot was just zero and it was probably the worst pain I'd ever felt. So right now I'm walking around the house in my boots. Oh, and by the way, your boy still got it. I could feel it. I felt it. So we're chilling. But I'm walking around in the house right now with my boots on to see if it hurts with them completely loose. Because if it hurts with them completely loose, it means the bottom's too tight and I need new shoes. But if it only hurts when I tie them, it just means I'm simply tying them too tight. So I'm walking around now. I'll keep you guys updated. Tomorrow's gonna be the big day. I'll probably be recording on my phone because I don't wanna fall with my camera in my hand and break this camera. It's an FX3. So right now, I'll keep you updated on if I found the solution for my boots or not. I'm really hoping so because I don't really want to pay $600 for a new batch. I'll keep you updated. All right, good morning. I'm on my iPhone because we're getting ready to head out. And I don't want to bring my camera up on the slope, but we have the helmet, the fit. We're headed down to Christie Sports again. My shoes don't fit me. They gave me a whole size too low, which is my fault. I don't know how I didn't recognize it. Hayden, pimped out. He's got the equipment. Cole, getting dressed at the moment. And then Soph as well, getting dressed. So I'm gonna pick you guys up as soon as we get down to the ski place. All right, we just made it down the first hill. It was pretty much just like a teaching round. We got Cole and everybody pretty much just getting a good feel for the board. Right now, we are tapping in on some food, pretzel bites, and cheese. We're gonna grab some food really quick and then we're gonna head back out and then I'll get some footage of us actually tearing it up. All right, we made it back on the slope. There's Hayden there. We're Just took a blue down here. We're getting ready to take a green, so it's a little bit easier to record. Just slowly cruising now. Got the boy giving me a fucking push. What a legend. Oh man, it's beautiful out here. He's laying down. Oh man, this is fucking wild. I think I see Soph up there. Actually, just like a skier. Hidden behind me. We're really just cruising down. There's a little bit of a hill here. All right, let's take this. This should pick up some speed. Yep. Face is getting a little cold. Might need to put the goggles on. Oh man, this is awesome. Gondola's above us. It's absolutely just stunning down here. All right, we just got back in the gondola. I got like this little Shaun White hair thing. Literally, like the little Shaun White hair coming out of the side. Yeah, so we're headed up the gondola now. We have one more ride and then the park is going to... Alright, we have one more ride and then the park is going to close. So we're going to the very top and then we're just going to head on the way down. Cole, how you feeling over there?
I'm feeling great.
Oh, this is a good ass photo. Really
Yeah,
good.
this is a great photo.
Alright, Hayden, how you doing?
I'm really good right now.
Yeah, Hayden ended up having a bunch of beers, so he's living it. Today was an interesting one. We did head on, and Happy New Year's. It is the first, it's 2025, so I think next video, not this video, I'm getting ready to cut this or end this video out, but next video I think we're going to go over some New Year's resolutions. Pretty much just accomplishments that we're looking forward to achieving in 2025, and none of those fruity ones, we complete them. But anyway, we woke up this morning, we went straight to the mountains, and it was probably double as cold today as it was yesterday. There was a few catastrophic events that had happened, so we ended up just packing up and leaving. I ate some absolute shit. My feet were fucking hurting. These boots were a pain. It was just a mess. We also hadn't really gotten too much work done today or yesterday or the day before because of all this commotion. So we're pretty much just ended up coming straight home. Got the Hayden here. Cole's probably in his bedroom. And we're just going to get the rest of the work that we have to get done. And then we're heading back up tomorrow. So we pretty much just cut the ski trip quite a bit shorter. But if you don't already, I did just make a banger Twitter post of the ski strip that you might want to check out. The Twitter's in the description. But tomorrow we're going to head back up. Right now I'm getting ready to grab my laptop and just double check our payroll that it was done correctly. We just hired a new payroll person, not really an accountant, but a payroll person, and I'm going to double check her work, make sure that she did it right because it's her second week of training. I pretty much just made it home. We got the back end bedroom set up, whatnot. So anyway, just got home. The trip was phenomenal. We got a good amount of stuff done, not as much as I'd like to. Like you just saw previously, we did head home a little bit early, but I did want to load up the laptop really quick and show you with all the systems and processes that we have in place. How much did we make? We were out for 3 days, about a week-ish. How much money was made, or did we just waste our life away? So let's take a look really quickly. As you see, we did a little bit. We did about $200,000 in the last 7 days. So break that into like 3 days. We're looking at, it's about $28,000 a day, which is cool, which is crazy. Now, is all of that profit? No, majority of that's revenue. We do operate at very high margin, so a good amount of that is profit, but nonetheless, I'm home now. I'm gonna get unpacked, and I am pretty much going to pick up the camera for the next video, but I'm gonna get unpacked, and we have Bible study tonight, and I will see you guys pretty much in the next video. Peace.